With my shadow totally in the road, we have a 2015 Harley-Davidson FLHTCUTG Ultra Classic Tri-Glide. If you've not ridden one of these trikes, you owe it to yourself to give it a shot. It's like floating down the freeway on a cloud. It's 2015 model, so it has a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, 6-speed transmission, and 4,192 miles as of this moment. Previous owner did a stage 1 kit for you. Nice low and rumbly Vance & Hines pipes and a Screamin' Eagle high flow air intake. With the exception of a little bit of pitting on the lower portions of the forks, this bike is pristine. And available for a test float, if you will, 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle between Vista and Escondido in San Marcos, right off the 78.